Another week, another video. What's good, family? We're here in Chiang Mai, Thailand today, checking out the Grand Canyon Water Park, which in my opinion is the best water park I've ever visited in my life. Special shout out to TikTok for the recommendation. So boom, pulled up in a rental, and I look over to the left and I see those guys in like the tuk-tuks. I'm trying to figure out why they're not giving us a ride. Come to find out, the water park is actually right around the corner. Every video I have some crazy thing going on that I need to figure out. And so this time it is my GoPro case. My GoPro was in an underwater housing, so please bear with me. It's gonna make some sounds throughout the video. I tried the best I could to take it out, so please just cut me some slack.
Yeah, well, two of those. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Whole tour over here. That's cool. Come to Thailand and go bike. And they have a couple restaurants up here too.
And prices were decent. They were like $4 to $6 for drinks.
Thank you, Kapun Kap.
California.
How you know about this?
TikTok.
You wear the life jacket because when you do activity, little stuff, you cannot belong in your phone, your camera, your accessory. You cannot go in the water. You bring and drop in the water.
Which was a problem because I'm finna record.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, I understand.
Because he has a camera where he holds right here.
Not strong when you.
Okay, so I can bring it, but it'll be on me if I lose it. You guys, I understand. It's on video. I understand. Thank you, Kapun Kap. This shit better be strong enough, or Amazon, I'ma get your ass.
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
You can have some block.
Yeah, I brought some block.
The camera doesn't do any justice bringing the water park to scale. Like, this thing was humongous, absolutely huge. And then the other half, they weren't even using. I'm not sure what the other half was for. I think it was for wakeboarding.
Bro, why do they have the thing right here for no reason? Did she give you a key for the locker or something?
No.
About to get life jackets and go change. Let's get to it. So it's the water park. They got a bunch of gift shops. They got a bunch of tables with games on them. And then they got zip lines. They got wakeboarding. They have everything. Everything.
Yeah, we immediately get wet. Hopefully it feels good. Oh no, that's a little cold. That is a little cold. Woo.
It's not hot, that's why. It's in the wrong day.
Yeah, we did low-key come on the wrong day, but what choice is there?
I'm trying not.
It's the only day to come, and it really wasn't like this earlier.
Please do be aware that booking a Thailand trip at the very beginning of dry season may mean that you get the remnants of whatever storm is passing through at the end of rainy season. I didn't think of that.
Yeah. All right, which way looks more fun? I think that way looks fun. Yeah, we gotta go back that way. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna do the thing when they get hard. Oh shit, I almost fell. This one right here to your right. Let's see who wins. Go. It's a race. Go, babe, go. I'll go first. The water's really warm. Don't go fast, I told you. I told you.
I felt like a grown ass kid the whole time I was in this park. Like, it's crazy.
Ah, you messed them up, babe.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're good, you're good. Do you go fast on this? Are you supposed to go fast, or what's the trick?
Run.
Run.
Yeah.
Run fast, huh?
All these obstacles are so much harder in real life.
Yeah.
Like, those big bounce balls.
No.
Some wipeout shit. I made it.
What do you mean by that? I mean, we can do that.
Already fucking up. How are you supposed to do the balls?
It's my time to shine now. All those times that I was watching Wipeout as a kid, laughing at all these people because they couldn't pass the big red balls. It's my time to shine. I gotta lock in. Gotta make it to the end. This ain't nothing. I done made it through worse. Yeah, not gonna lie, I stood no chance on that.
I didn't make the second ball.
Oh, damn.
Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go.
Bro, why do I sound like...
Almost, almost. Here goes the other side. This shit, guys. This shit is crazy.
I am shaking so bad, you go. What the hell? With the camera?
Jay started going sideways. Strong ass, huh? Oh, 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 oh! Go fast! Oh, that's fire! It's a hamster wheel.
You're crazy.
10 hours later.
Oh! Man down! Somebody Oh, help me, please. Oh, how the fuck I get out?
You have to drop it. Right? Absolut.
Yeah. Whoa! No. Just swim across, I guess. Come here, I was trying to do this one. Come here. Oh, fuck yourself up. So here for a second. We're gonna go down and do the no, you hit your... Huh? It is a little scary.
Now that I'm watching these videos back, we never even hit those water slides. And those guys was moving. So we need to hit that the next time we're in Chiang Mai.
Playing no jams. Let's go see what's over here. Come on. Oh.
Imagine just dropped here. What's this?
A zip line, you hold on to it.
And then we never did this big bean bag either.
Here, you take zip line? I don't think I could take it with this.
Okay. Oh, you want to do it?
You don't want to do it?
No, I'm gonna have to go down.
I hand you the rope. You're over the blue.
Huh?
Over the blue? Oh, okay.
Lick up.
Okay.
Let's go. All right. Take out, bro. Oh!
That was scary.
I'm trying to do a backflip over. Yes. It worked. Oh, shit.
Should I try?
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Babe, I know that shit hurt. I feel like this video would have been so much better if we would have went on a clear day. If Thailand was just clear on any given day that we were there. But instead it wanted to rain 8 days out of the 18 that we were there. Fun fact, I played water polo my freshman year of high school and even got some playing time on the varsity team.
You ain't never gonna see a black person that swim better than me, I'll tell you that.
And apparently that was the funniest shit in the world.
They thought it was funny. I was talking to the camera.
Oh.
Alright, so you're never gonna see another black person that swim better than me? They thought that shit was killer. Where you guys from?
Germany.
Germany, everybody from Germany.
No, don't want to Germany.
Not a lot of
We
people.
meet people from Germany, but we are not meeting any.
Really?
We
You guys,
got like a lot of people.
every person we stop to talk to, they're all German. Yeah, we have,
Australian and German.
yeah.
Wow, where are you from?
My turn.
You're not going to
No, there's a. Can I do it?
Now my GoPro.
Did it hurt, babe? Huh? Did it hurt?
Notice you do that. It don't hurt. Yeah. No.
Like, if I can open it up.
Good thing you can swim. It's a good thing you can swim.
My butt a little bit. Not that bad. It's not bad. I can't believe it's opened up. That's crazy. All of them did.
Really?
Yeah. Like how hard I fell down.
Oh, go kart.
All right, and we're about to finish it off with some zip lining.
Yeah, but I don't need to hold it. This is holding me.
Okay. Be careful with your camera.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do it. Come on, guys. This is crazy. Wake up.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, great.
So I thought there was only one zip line.
Oh, there's another one. Look at my baby. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Leg up, leg up. You're supposed to lift your legs up.
Right? Nope. 3, 2, 1.
Big thank you to everybody who made it this far into the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Thailand content and more travel vlogs.
Wow.
Oh, we good. Thank you. Double cap. I'm coming in about 30 miles an hour. Ankle straight hit this shit.
Did it hurt?
Nah. I'm a soccer player. That shit ain't hurt. You guys gonna do it for the Grand Canyon, guys.
Yeah. I haven't tried it.
We're about to go get dried up. Trying to go hit some Muay Thai fights tonight at the stadium. Let's see how that goes.